I can do that. And then I'll just move my horseman up here, getting ready to take over as soon as it's ready.
Yeah.
I need you to focus taking on that, what do you call it, though? Taking that city. Oh, there goes your guy. Yeah, you're too close.
Okay. Let's do this. Let's do this. It is time to fuck up the Voidling.
Get out of that, damn it.
Do you want me to move my horseman? I don't know if the general helps.
No.
It doesn't help you?
It doesn't help me, no.
Okay.
No.
I'm gonna move my general over here then. To help my system over here. You can get your guys over and around. That way I'm out of your way.
Damn, he's hitting me hard whenever I try to...
I don't want to kill you yet, so I'm gonna just
Try
toy
hitting
around
it with
with
that
you for a
horseman.
It's gonna kill it. I'm gonna have a major defeat.
You know what the sad part
Oh.
is that the Voidling is literally nothing compared to what I just had to deal with.
Yeah.
Like, at this point, once you're through dealing with that, like, the Voidling is just smooth sailing.
Yeah, because of all the stupid jailers. George,
Which I get why they're there. They're supposed to be there as, like, a time check so you don't get this overpowered before you fight the Voidling.
George, the reason is because I'm basically linked up with anti-cavalry, or not anti-cavalry. I'm linked up with cavalry, and his city is capable of defending against cavalry very well. That's what the problem is. So I'm in fortify heal mode, so that I can provide you the bonus for siege. I don't know if I can gift you the siege tower or not, but if I could give you the siege tower, then that way I could go over to something else and then let you siege that. What kind of fucking electronica jazz are you listening to?
Just, it's Cowboy Bebop.
Fucking what the shit?
This is, you never heard the Voidling soundtrack, dude?
No, I turned that shit off.
This is what it sounds like.
Give me a headache.
This is what you hear every time you fight the Voidling when you have the soundtrack on.
So fucking cursed, bro. He's gonna give me all of his gold and 17 gold per turns and make peace. And he's gonna give me the city that I took already. Get out of here. I'm taking over, bro. You're a bad leader. I took over as capital, and instantaneously they are loyal to me now. Oh my god. Did you just jail the fucking Voidling?
Yep.
Oh my god.
Not only that, I turned him into a ghost.
Imagine getting fucking beat so hard.
I beat the soul out of you.
God damn. Yeah! You got it? Good. I'm gonna need you to start cranking up that military over there.
Keeps.
All right.
Well, I unlocked a new skin for Loader, so let's check out what it looks like, since I, also defeated the false sun. I don't know. What do you think, man? Eh. I mean, it looks okay, I guess.
It's all right.
I like Huntresses, but, I mean, that's Huntress.
Yeah.
And
That's kind of cool. A little more change on the helmet. I don't like the bubbly fucking helmet anyways on what's his name? Soldier.
yeah. Commando.
Commando, yeah. Alright, George.
Requires the false sun mastery.
Since you have that, I'm gonna go ahead and move my horseman over here.